Axelar, one of my top picks for the RWA and cross-chain narrative. So I just went over a lot of the fundamentals of this coin in one of my last videos. Basically, I'm extremely bullish on this project overall. The projects that they're actually working on, the team, the amount of reach that they have, partnerships, and especially their tokenomics. Beautiful tokenomics, in my opinion, for a project of this caliber and potential. So I had a request to cover Axelar a little bit more on the pure TA side. So here we're going to just check out the chart. All right, so to keep things simple, let's actually just start off by checking out Axelar. So just from the chart, we can already tell that from all-time highs back in the beginning of December to now, we've dipped about 52%, and we're sitting at about a 43-ish% dip. Which, if we take our fib retracement right from the bottom of that move to the very top of that wick, we pretty much consolidated right around the 0.78 retracement. And just from kind of like a visual decoding standpoint, something one of my mentors had taught me is the whole elevator and stairs analogy. If you have stairs down, elevator up, that's generally bullish, really good strength, something you'd want to hold long, right? That's kind of what we see here. We kind of see like a slow consolidation down, quick rise up. Kind of consolidation, slow consolidation down, quick rise up. A little bit of a slower drop, fat candle down, huge run up, right? But that entire momentum started to change in the beginning of December, right? Right around the time Powell made that whole announcement about interest rates. We started to get the elevator down, staircase up, slow build up, shoot down, slow build up, shoot down, slow build up, shoot down. So that's kind of the trend we've been on for a while, ever since about a month and a half ago. You can even kind of see it down here in the stochastic oscillators. We don't really spend that time up there anymore. This was probably our longest time staying up above the 80. But as you can see back over here, we actually did kind of spend a little more time above 80 while we were running up. Coupled with the fact that we've already taken out the November lows, which is right around here. Let me just make a quick note of yearly open, right around here. And that extreme fear period we had in July, August with the whole yen cash and carry trade. That's down here, but I'm gonna throw a little level of support over here. September pretty much held the lows of the year, but if we just kind of go back to the daily and look back even further, here's kind of our bear market highs. Another point of interest over here. Just like a lot of other alts right now, Axelar is just waiting for Bitcoin to do its thing, total market cap to do its thing, USDT dominance to do its thing, all of these things, right? We've clearly been in a downtrend since the beginning of December. But honestly, if we're going to reverse anywhere, it's got to be here. We've hit a really good level of consolidation, and honestly, if this tries to break down past here and shoots past our lows that we had in August, September, we're likely going lower. With that being said, that's probably the least likely scenario right now, just due to all the other macros happening in the market. What's a little more likely would just be to come back, claim this yearly open over here as support, and then range, right? That would probably be the most bullish thing for Axelar and probably most alts at this point too. It's just to reclaim that yearly open. We're pretty much right there. If we can just close above this, which is right around 0.66, close above 0.66, range above it, maybe wick down it one more time in order to get some fresh liquidity to get another leg up. But at some point, when we do break this market structure, we should reclaim this level. That's at least the next leg up that I see from here. And again, guys, this is just my own technical analysis. Nothing here is guaranteed, right? But based on current market data, we can make educated decisions and protect our downside, as well as keeping some exposure for the upside. Anyway, if we can range in here, reclaim this level, hold this as support, let's say above 0.81 to 85-ish, hold this level. After that point, once we step past phase A. Let's call this right here phase B. As you can see, I already had a couple of estimates up here from when I first picked up some Axelar. C, and your phase D. Let's call it up to possibly $5. And I think that matches up with... So let's just go back from the top of 2024 to the bottom of 2024. We can see that my 6x mark right over here from... I'm pretty sure I started accumulating my spot bags on this coin mostly throughout the summer, so April, May, June, July, August, September, those months. So this was basically going to be a 6x for me. The first 618, which is right over here at 4.1. So I can actually bring this up here to the 2.618. So I'd say 6.5 would be like, that's where I would totally plan to exit out. Like when we hit the 618, I'm going to start scaling out. And by the 2.618, I'm aiming to be about like 80% out of my position by then. So when you're considering upside and risk to reward ratio, you've got a ton of room on Axelar right now. Like as I'm recording this video, we're sitting at about 0.65. From 0.65 just right up to the 1.618, that is still basically a 6x on your initial investment. The fact that we are, if you just go down to the shorter time frame a little bit, just the fact that we have been holding support over here and accumulating, I think is extremely bullish. This is a really good chance at a reversal right here. You know, we already took most of this liquidity. Like if anything, maybe we'll come down here and sweep up a little more liquidity before mooning on, but we got to take it level at a time, right? So we just go back and mark yearly open right around here. First step is to reclaim this. We're pretty much right above it. If we can just close above this, let's get a good closing candle above this. So hopefully on the next daily closing candle, we can close right above this, range above it for a few days, and I think we're looking really good and highly likely to move on up. So yeah, I think that's a good place to call it. I think I made this video a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, but that's my thoughts on Axelar. I hope I didn't miss anything. If I did, I'll try to update you guys in the next video. If you guys have any thoughts on this, any comments, anything that I missed, anything you want to add, please let me know in the comments. If you like these types of TA videos, let me know too. I'll try to do more of them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.